In this video, we'll show you where to buy Monero from. Why is Monero XMR crypto gaining attention? What's behind the rally and how far it will grow? Welcome to CryptoSafe. In today's video, we'll talk about Monero, why it's gaining attention, and where you can get your hands on them. To our supporters, we would love to grow the channel to create an open discussion on macroeconomics and privacy options. Hence, do like the video and comment under this video to show the channel some love, as YouTube algorithms seem to not be our friend really. Without further ado, let's dive in. Monero is a small investment option since its value is projected to rise as more people recognize the need for anonymity in financial transactions. The battle on cash appears to be oddly similar to the war against private cryptocurrencies. With increased reporting, governments have been gradually limiting the usefulness of cash over the previous few decades. We fully expect them to do so much more directly with cryptocurrencies, which are bearer assets in the end. Regulating exchanges is the simplest method to do so, but they can also broaden the definition of what requires registration. We believe governments would be enraged if cash was invented today. They favor bank transfers since, in theory, a third party is engaged in each transaction and may be held liable. Cryptocurrencies remind people that in the absence of a centralized intermediary, digital transfers could be bearer assets with strong privacy features. Years later, the impact of this transition is still being felt. Bearer assets' resilience will ultimately be determined by people's willingness to use them. If only a small percentage of people use private digital payments, they will be considered dead. As a result, the usage of privacy-preserving crypto must be widespread and cyclic. The need for privacy cryptocurrencies is or should be substantial. Another reason to invest in Monero is that it is growing rapidly. Since its inception, the number of people who support it has increased. This is because it has demonstrated an undeniable capacity to keep its consumers' financial information secret. People hide their financial information for a variety of reasons, which must be respected. And Monero makes it a lot easier for them to do so. Now, where do we get Monero from? When you buy XMR on an exchange, you have the option of keeping it in your exchange account or transferring it to a Monero wallet. It is recommended that you keep your cryptocurrency in a wallet that you control. Hardware wallets are also safer to use than software wallets. This added security is due to the fact that a hardware wallet cannot be compromised if your computer is hacked, whereas a software wallet may, and hardware wallets, on other hand, are substantially more expensive than software wallets. A hardware wallet might cost several $100s, although most crypto software wallets are free to use. A hardware wallet, on the other hand, is a worthwhile investment in the protection of your cryptocurrency if you can afford it. Many crypto wallets are compatible with multiple blockchains, allowing you to utilize a single wallet to hold a variety of assets. A hardware wallet is the most secure way to store Monero. Monero is currently only supported by Ledger wallets. After you've created your Monero wallet, you'll need to find a cryptocurrency exchange that will sell you XMR. BINANCE. The cryptocurrency exchange BINANCE, as is typically the case, is the best place to acquire XMR Monero. BTC, USDT, BNB, and ETH are the four Monero trading pairing available on Binance. Binance does not currently offer a direct fiat currency trading pair such as XMR USD. As a result, you'll first need to obtain some Bitcoin or Ether. After that, you can send it to Binance and use it to purchase Monero with it. While there are some drawbacks to using this method to buy Monero, such as trading fees, the XMR BTC and XMR USDT trading pairs on Binance are quite liquid. Because there are a lot of volumes, you will be able to execute your trades at a price you wish. The safest and simplest way to pay for Monero using a credit card is to first purchase Bitcoin and then trade it for Monero. International cryptocurrency traders, including those looking to buy XMR in the United Kingdom, can sign up for Binance and purchase Bitcoin using a credit card. Binance is easy to use, so hence preferred by most. Exchange does block or limit XMR transfer sometimes, so it's key to move your Monero after purchase to your cold wallet right after purchase. CEX.io. Even though Monero is one of the top 30 cryptocurrencies in the world with a multi-billion-dollar market cap, finding an exchange willing to sell you some may be difficult. This is an issue since governments throughout the world, including the US, are usually opposed to privacy-based blockchains, believing that they encourage and protect wrongdoing by making money transactions impossible to follow, which is wrong from my point of view. Financial privacy should be given and not to be messed with or blocked by any government. There may be certain restrictions in place if you do discover an exchange that sells XMR. For example, you could be able to purchase it solely using another cryptocurrency rather than fiat money. Regulators prevent Americans from purchasing Bitcoin on Binance. Instead, inhabitants of the United States can use CEX.io to purchase Bitcoin with a credit card. CEX is a cryptocurrency exchange based in the United Kingdom that has been functioning since 2013. They have a solid security record and are one of the most dependable exchanges on the market. While CEX has received numerous inquiries on how to purchase Monero, they have not yet opened up XMR trading. However, they do allow consumers to buy Bitcoin with a credit card. KYC verification is required for credit card purchasers. This is a frequent technique to make sure the buyer isn't using a phony credit card. A copy of identification documents such as a passport or driver's license may be requested by CEX. In order to verify your residence, they may also want a copy of a bank account or utility bill. CEX will authenticate your identity after you've submitted all of these documents and will then grant you full access to their services. You'll be able to buy Bitcoin using credit card whenever that happens. After purchasing Bitcoin on CEX, transfer it to your Binance Bitcoin wallet and swap it for Monero. There is a third alternative if none of the above options appeal to you. This is a fantastic solution for traders and investors who want to buy Monero but don't want to join an exchange. Kraken. There is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a direct USD XMR trading pair if you wish to buy Monero directly. Kraken, a San Francisco-based company, is in charge of this exchange. Kraken is a reliable exchange with a long history of reliability available to everyone in the United States, except those who live in New York. They provide users the option of funding their accounts with dollars by wire or bank transfer. While it's convenient to utilize dollars instead of Bitcoin, some users have complained about the low trade volume on Kraken. For example, the XMR USD pair on Kraken was trading at only 1/20th of the volume of the XMR BTC pair on Binance at the time of writing. This isn't a big deal for modest orders of a few $100s. Larger orders, on the other hand, are more likely to be delayed. However, you must first complete the exchange verification process. Local Monero is a marketplace that connects buyers and sellers where you can buy Monero using a variety of payment methods. Bitfinex no longer allows US customers. HitBTC, Poloniex, Bithumb, TradeOgre, and Bittrex are other exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin or Ethereum for Monero. You can withdraw your XMR to the Monero wallet address you created once you purchased it. To avoid losing your money by accident, make sure you withdraw to the current location. What you should not forget is to move the Monero you just bought to your own wallet where you hold your own keys. Do this immediately and secure your coins. Why is Monero gaining attention? And will it continue to rise? Monero XMR has gained popularity after its developers revealed in a GitHub article that the protocol will undergo a possible hard fork in July to increase network security and fee costs. The project's 15th software version will be installed at the hard fork in July v15. The token's recent rise could also be attributed to attempts by users to withdraw their holdings from major exchanges, which some social media users claim was done on purpose to short squeeze and create hype. In addition, recent reports stated that fraudsters were demanding XMR or BTC payments, increasing attention to the token. You should now understand what Monero is and why its privacy appeals to crypto enthusiasts. Now that you know everything there is to know about Monero and its development team, it's time to make a wise decision and invest it in currencies. With this, we've come to an end. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest videos.